So I'm going to ask that you let me introduce you to a lender. Of course, you could definitely get second opinions, as you should, but at the very least, we want a lender who can be able to know the right questions to ask you so that they can make sure that there's no pitfalls of the transaction. At some point, the agent's going to introduce you to a lender. The lender is going to take the time to be able to have a conversation with you about your financials. They're going to want to make sure that they actually approve you for the loan so that when we go and look at those homes, it's as though if you've got cash and that the buyer knows that you're legitimate. Sometimes I get buyers who will have a conversation with me and say, Dan, I don't need to talk to a lender. I got great credit. I had a buyer, Christina and Jaid, were looking for a home, and they came to me and they said that to me. And they did have good credit and they had great income as well. And we went out and we looked at homes, and I actually found them a home, and we wrote the offer, and we actually even got it under contract. But what we didn't know was that she had a Mary Kay business that she put down something like a $35,000 loss in the previous taxes. Okay? So that was a case that we were actually under contract, and it fell apart because the online lender didn't take the time to actually know exactly what was important to them. So I'm going to ask that you let me introduce you to a lender. Of course, you could definitely get second opinions, as you should, but at the very least, we want a lender who can be able to know the right questions to ask you so that they can make sure that there's no pitfalls of the transaction. You're going to have a conversation at that point with the lender. They're going to ask you to share things like your pay, your last couple pay statements if you're a W-2 employee. They're going to look at your tax returns, and they're going to be looking at your credit. Now, the lender at some point is going to be able to get us a loan for the home. So there's only two things that they can loan on and make a lending decision is, can you repay it? And how much is the collateral worth, so that if for some reason you don't repay it and they've got to take that home back through a process called foreclosure, then, are they going to get their money back?
Thank you so much for watching my video today. If I can help you in any ways, even if just to answer a question, or if you're interested to buy a home, sell a house, or invest in real estate, call me or text 703-346-2776 or email me, dan@greetingsvirginia.com. I look forward to hearing from you and helping you, and I hope that you have the best day of your life. God bless you.